In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Notion 2025. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important note or simply want to revert a recent change, knowing how to quickly undo these actions can be a real lifesaver. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps you'll take to effectively undo an action in Notion. First things first, let's start by navigating to the page where the change needs to be undone. Open your Notion workspace and find the page in question. This is where you've either made an unintended edit or need to recover something. Once you've accessed the page, you're ready to proceed to undo the undesired changes. The simplest and quickest way to undo an action is by using the keyboard shortcut. For most systems, you can press Ctrl and Z simultaneously if you're on a Windows PC, or Command and Z if you're using a Mac. This is a universal shortcut, familiar to most users from other word processing or text editing software. It's the easiest way to go back one step and immediately reverse your last action, whether it's text you've erased or an object you've moved. But let's say you're not keen on using keyboard shortcuts, or perhaps you're accessing Notion on a device where this isn't as straightforward, such as a touchscreen device. Notion provides a user-friendly interface with more direct options. Once you're on the page, glance towards the upper right corner. Here you'll see a familiar icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the overflow menu. Once you click on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll notice a variety of options that allow you to interact with your Notion page. Look for the option labeled Undo. It's designed to help users easily reverse mistakes without navigating through complicated settings or losing their workflow's momentum. Click on Undo, and just like that, the most recent change you made will be reverted. If you don't find the option listed, it's possible that the action you wish to undo is not currently supported by this feature, or it might have been too far back in your edit history. In such cases, explore other areas of the interface or think about using Notion's history log feature if necessary. It's good to note that undoing actions is context sensitive. Depending on your last action, the undo might not behave as expected, especially with more complex changes. Always double check to confirm that your action was appropriately undone. And there you have it. You now know how to undo an action in Notion 2025, both by using keyboard shortcuts and through the navigation menu. This skill can be immensely helpful in maintaining your workflow and ensuring your data remains intact. Be sure to practice it to develop muscle memory, and remember, it's just as easy to redo an action in case you find the change needed after all. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.